today let's talk about paper sculpture. Paper sculpture is really fun. There's actually so many things that you can do with paper. You can cut it, you can tear it, you can bend it, you can create spirals. There's just so much you can do, and I want to show you as many techniques as I can. So let's start with rolling. So I have a strip of paper and I can roll it like this. So notice I'm using Elmer's glue. I do need a stronger glue for this. Glue sticks will work for some of these techniques, but some of them are going to need something stronger like Elmer's. So I'm gonna use Elmer's for everything. You'll also notice that after I've glued this together, I put glue here, I rolled, and I'm holding for a little bit. I held it for a little bit just to make sure that that glue really sticks. So I can also create longer rolls. I can create shorter rolls. But the idea of rolling paper remains the same. I can also create tabs. Okay, so sometimes you might need a little bit of help holding something down while you are creating something else. I'm using a clothespin here to hold this while I start creating some of my other techniques. So clothespins are great. Sometimes you can use masking tape as well, or anything that would kind of clip on to hold while you create. So next, let's make a spiral. So a spiral is going to start with some sort of shape. It could be a square, it could be a circle. I'll start with a square first. But you're going to cut around the edge, but stop before you cut anything off. So just keep cutting around the edge, stop before you cut something completely off, and just keep going around. Okay, next let me show you some different kinds of folds. So we can fold over and back like an accordion. Okay, so we can fold over, back, over, back, over, back, or we can fold less, right? We can fold once. We can use our pencil to create a curl. So if I put my thumb here, hold my paper onto my pencil with my thumb, and then just hold on to it while I carefully curl around and wrap this around my entire pencil, or wrap my entire paper around my pencil, I should say. Okay, I've got a curl. Okay, I can make fringe by cutting little snips on one side of my paper. I can make a cone by starting with a circle. And then I like to think about turning my circle into Pac-Man, so making one cut to the center of the circle and then one more cut on the other side, or another side to the center of the circle. So I remove that, kind of like a piece of pie or Pac-Man. And then from there, if I kind of carefully put one under the other, I now have the cone. So the other thing I can do is I can create slits. So if I cut a slit in my paper like this, and then another slit in my other paper like this, I can then use those slits to connect.